This Aramis luminizer is so cool. Look at my lips. I'm just wearing lip balm and that luminizer. I mean, I just did it as an experiment. It's not like I want to leave it like this. But it's like all right on my outline. It's so nice. So I finished my pedicure. I'm super happy with it. I'll let you know because this girl, she's really good. And if you live around Hackney, well, if you live around Hackney, why don't you come and visit me, first of all? But if you're interested in a pedicure, she's alright. So I should really get my GoPro. I'm gonna go home. I'm supposed to meet Peter for lunch. Remember Peter? Oldie but a goodie. And I don't know, he has to call me because he was gonna get a taxi here and he's not here yet. And it's like 20 minutes over the time that we were meant to meet. So I'm gonna go home and change and be ready for when he comes. And then we're gonna go to have a Sunday roast. Great, we got widescreen. So I'm in Spitafields Market. I'm with Peter. I just told him to go away for a second because I want to look for my handbag, not handbag, my headband lady. We're gonna find it, you'll see. Oh, here we go. This is the one. She's awesome. Look, so many headbands. Oh, look at the headband that I got, which is so Dolce & Gabbana. I really like it. Now I have to find where Peter went. And I'm looking at the map because we are gonna go towards Commercial Street. We're gonna have a Sunday roast. I don't know if I mentioned. Oh, I love this. Love the style. I've actually been wanting some dresses, just classic. I mean, this might be a bit too costumey, but I have been wanting just big skirts, you know? And there's so much of that in London because they're really into their whole pin-up thing. So much yellow. You know what's mildly annoying about this camera? First of all, I don't know where the microphone is yet. It makes a noise every time I start, and that's the last thing you want, is for something to go loudly beep, 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 in the middle of people. So we are going to head that way behind me. We're gonna go to this new, not new, but new for me, pub called the Culpeper. Apparently it's nice. I'll do it. You do yours. This is I'm having the vegetarian. Okay, we're back again. So I've watched back the video. And I'm not a fan of this white thing. I think it works really well when I'm not in the shot. So maybe I will change it back when I am in the shot. And I'm just looking for a quick cappuccino because we had an amazing lunch and he invited me because, you know, birthday girl. But now I want one specifically from the Department of Coffee. I don't know how you call it. Department of Coffee and something. Oh no, don't tell me it's on the other side. Yeah, it's on the other side. I've learned the way now. I'm so disappointed. They didn't have decaf. It's like they're like, we close in an hour. Well, that's the hour where everybody needs decaf coffee because it's evening. I hate that. What sense does that make? We close in an hour so we don't have decaf anymore. decided I don't want that yellow dress anymore. It's stupid. This is why you should always think about things, never buy impulsively. Especially with things that you're not really your style, you know? Like, I don't dress like a fake retro person. I like the influence, but I don't dress up like that. Oh my god, the beeps are off now, and also I changed the audio settings, so let's see what happens. It's quite a nice day for you to come with me because it's so lovely outside. You can see everybody happy. Oh, here we are. Oh no, it's closed. Dude, I haven't been here in so long. It's like everything that I knew is closed. When I say so long, I mean maybe 6 months. It's just London, it changes so fast. I'm gonna go to Starbucks of all places because I know it's there and I know what I'm getting. Look how empty it is here. Everybody's in the other side of the market. Oh, look us. Some shops here. Man, I feel like going shopping so much. I really don't want to go to central London though. Oh, those backpacks are so cute. The really little ones. I had such a restful sleep last night. I feel like completely refreshed. Sunglasses. Pretty. How much are they?
They are £98 with the lenses included, I mean with polarization included.
Polarized, so with the lenses they have right now, right?
Yes.
The ones inside, yeah. So I found these sunglasses by this company, Ollie Quinn, which apparently they are a Canadian company. And they are gorgeous. They remind me, they're like a cross between the material and the lightness and the ease. I'll show you actually while I talk. And the ease of my Oliver Peoples, but with the design qualities of my Prism. They're awesome and they look so good on. I'll show you, I'll put them on. I'm gonna put them on right now because they didn't have a box or anything. And the price is really great. It was £90 or £98. And I was looking exactly for something like this. And I can only find this in Oliver Peoples, which are like £300. So yeah, they were right there. So if you live in London, Spitafields, Brushfield Street actually, I am right now. Yeah. I don't get any affiliates or anything because they're just a small company and they're not distributed anywhere except for Canada. So if you're in Canada, you can find them, Ollie Quinn, or London. And they are polarized and they look incredibly expensive. Now we're going to the motherland for a matcha latte. This is crazy. The stabilization in this camera, I have to say, I'm walking and it does not move. I went back because man, it was incredibly strong. Now it's better, but I mean, You can see in the color that it has that it's super, super strong. Oh, here we are again. I think we did a minimum amount of damage. So the girl at the optical shop, she actually did know the market that I'm looking for, which is the one that's in Commercial Street. I just don't know what it's called. I know it has a name. It's not Brick Lane. According to her, it's like the beginning of Brick Lane, but I'm pretty sure it's called something else. Anyway, I'm pretty sure it wasn't that archway that was closed. But she says it's still there, so maybe, I don't know, I'll check it out. Okay, wait, look what I just found. Sounds exactly like the kind of place that I like, but somehow that doesn't look like it. So I'm not really sure what that place is pointing at. As you can see, I'm having a Diana day. Diana day where Diana does what Diana wants, and nobody wants to do it with her because nobody likes to do this sort of shit. I feel like I look a bit LA again. I keep doing this. I do like yoga clothes with heels. Let's see, where am I going? I think I'm going... Where am I going? Yeah, I didn't fully change because I had this yoga clothes in my bag. I'm just literally carrying a shopping bag, a plastic bag. At the end of the day, you know, it's the most practical thing. I'm not surprised that Chanel and these companies have come up with PVC bags, because actually I love carrying a PVC bag, like a plastic bag with my stuff inside. It's lightweight, you are reusing things, so you're being ecological. Fits so much stuff. It's the perfect handbag.